Hello, Apple Fun. So today I'm doing, I'm making slime. So I don't need any details. I just need slime. So all I need for today is a glue. I like blue, so my third favorite color is blue. So I'm gonna make it at blue. And we had the magic liquid here, because if there's no magic liquid, it won't work. So let's get started. So this is the bowl, and this is my spoon. So we're just gonna make a little bit for today. Little bit. Just little bit, okay. I don't wanna like more. Okay, let's do it. Okay. When I'm done, go ahead. Okay, there. Oh god. Oh god, it's hard to close. Okay, let's put this down. No. Let's gather it and put it. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna wipe my hands later. Oh my god. Look at my hands. I'm not doing this. Oh god. Oh god, I can swish it. Let's just open this. There it is. Oh. That's a lot. So that's it. There. That's so much. And I'm gonna add activator. Then I'm gonna add activator. Oopsie. That's too much. Okay, there. That's enough. Let's close it. Okay, let's mix this big muffin half. Mix it up. Look, it's actually making. Okay. Do that. Okay, I think we need more activator. I just did. This is not moving to light later. There. Let's mix it up. Okay, I'm mixing it up. Oh. So I'm still mixing. Okay, let's go mix it up. Mix it up. Mix up. This is all the glue I have. It's kind of sticky. Whoa, look how long. Okay, that's the slime I have now. So I'm gonna, oh god, hold my hand. So I'm gonna wash my hand and finishing mixing this up, and I'll update you when I'm done. So it's done. I just need to put it up. So I just need to make it a little bit with the hand. Oh, okay. This is why I love slime. It's so fluffy. I don't have shaving cream, so I need to do just normal slime because I don't have shaving cream. But if I do have shaving cream, it will be a blast. But I don't have shaving cream because no one here in my family have like shaving. So let's keep mixing. It's still sticky because my hand is still blue. So I'll update you guys when it's not that sticky anymore. What? So it's not that sticky anymore. That's why I update you. And very, very stretchy. Oh my god. This is the best slime I ever have. If I'm gonna be honest, this is the best slime I ever have. Oh, there's in the spoon. Okay, I'm gonna grab it. I will put this in the spoon. The one who's done in the spoon. Look at this in the spoon. Okay, now it's sticky. Because I put the spoon in it, the slime in the spoon, and look, it's now a little bit sticky, but it's not that more anymore. Oh, sorry, blow Look at that. So I have two containers. This is the perfect one, but it's very tiny, and this is not really perfect. Not really perfect, but I made it. Still, I made it. It's not really stretchy, so not really perfect. But this is not really stretchy. It's perfect and it's stretchy, but it's small. So I'm not gonna put it anywhere. I'm gonna put it in a magic container, not one of those containers. Oh no. Okay. I'm gonna grab a container. What container should I I know. Okay guys, I'm grabbing something in this stuff. I since don't have
Kulitin mo kaya ulan dyan. Kanina po ko dyan. So, hindi talaga mapulot yan.
So, I don't find a container for this. So, I'm gonna find it one day. So, okay, there. Just add it. Okay, mix it up into there. It's now big enough. So I think I'm gonna put all of this in the big massive one. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm combining it together. Look, it's not a stretchy. Well, it's too stretchy, guys. Sorry, it broke.
Kasih masih mo.
It broke, guys. So guys, I'm gonna do this. Yeah. So this is the stretchiest thing that I made. Look at this. Okay, I decided I'm gonna put it there. So there's a lovely slime and I'm never gonna buy. Thanks Elmer for making me slime. Look. Hey, wait! I wanna feed them. So that's what I do for the slime, but another fish update. So this is a slime and a fish update. That's the magic container. So like that. Another fish update. So I just bought the hammers and there's fishes. I don't care if you can see, but We still don't have any name for them, so comment down below what name. 3 names, cause I don't know if there's a girl or a boy. Both. I think there are a girl and boy. I think we cannot identify. So I think it's time for the dinner. I'm gonna ask. Okay. So it's okay. So let's
Ganyan lang sa
feed
isang ganyan
them.
lang. Oh, ganito lang.
Isang ganito lang. Oh. So isang ganyan na. Let's feed them. Yep. Wow. So I feed them. Ready? Wow. Look at this feed.
Nilagyan sa gilong mo. Sige mo. So, kita nila.
So I'm watching a fish. So
Ay, hindi mo kain.
yan lang siguro. So that's it for today. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and if you like the video, make sure to give the video a big apple thumbs up. So you can so if you like the video, make sure to make it a big apple thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell button for you can be updated when I post a new video. Whoa, look at this spines. And subscribe to my ad and share this video to all your friends and BFF and other people who love apples. So that's it. So make sure to subscribe to my other channel, Zoe Sandy Delsaria. So that's it. That's what I can say. Bye bye.